Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a very exciting video for all of you, and that is because today we're bringing you the world's first unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And in today's video we're going to be sharing it with you, talking about it and reacting and sharing with you our first impressions. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Air 3 or the Inspire 3, you already know this is a place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, and right now we're getting extremely close from actually reaching that goal. So if you watched today's video and not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, why don't we just go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting, and that is because today we're bringing you an unboxing of the long-awaited DJI Mini 3 Pro, but 5 days before its actual release date. And this was thanks to our great friend Jasper Allens. He was able to share this video with all of you, and thanks to him we're gonna be able to share it here with all of you. So go and check him out, he's a great guy. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and take a look at everything that's going to be included on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And this will be the combo that's going to be including the new smart controller. So it's going to be the basic combo, but instead of the regular controller from the Mini 2, you're going to be getting that brand new smart controller. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. There it is, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and this is going to be the basic combo, but instead of the normal controller, you're going to be getting the brand new smart controller. There we have our packaging, very similar to what we had on the DJI Mini 2, classical DJI styling, white packaging on the outside, and there we have it, nice way that this box is going to open up, revealing of course the drone and our brand new controller on the inside. There it is in all its glory, nice close-up. There is from the back, we see that this is a very nice high quality controller, and there it is, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That has been the world's first unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I am so excited for this drone. All the brand new changes, especially in the camera department, have been absolutely amazing. Stay tuned for our next video, ladies and gentlemen, because we can expect to see a longer unboxing. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and turn those post notifications. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. And what else can I tell you? Mini 3 Pro releasing May the 10th. So if you're wanting to buy this new Mini 3 Pro, get ready, get your wallet ready, get your calendar ready. Dropping this May 10th is going to be a little expensive. I'm just going to be giving you that heads up, but it's definitely going to be well worth it. So that has been today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.